Every single Christmas since we started dating, I have been making my fiance a custom advent calendar, and this custom claw machine is definitely the coolest one I've made so far. I spent so many nights staying up trying to figure out how to make this, and I'm not an engineer, so I had to try to make this as simple as possible. Start by measuring and cutting out the window as well as the slot for the gift, and then on each side you're gonna cut a 1-inch wide opening. This is for the dowel that goes through to make this actually functional. Then I wrap the entire thing in candy cane wrapping paper, and then to make the little box that the gift drops into, I measured the height of that opening, cut that out of cardboard, and then scored it right down the middle so I could fold it, and then I wrapped this as well in the same paper and taped it in. Next, I grabbed that 1-inch diameter dowel. You can find this at any hardware store. I found this at Canadian Tire. I taped a piece of ribbon right in the middle of the dowel and then tied this fishing magnet to it that I found on Amazon. And now you can see how moving that dowel around is actually how this works. I filled the bottom of the box with a bunch of tissue paper, and now for the actual prize balls, I found these fillable balls on Amazon and then glued these metal ornament caps on top. It is really important that it's metal because this is how the magnet can actually pick it up. To customize this, I used my silhouette to cut out some letters, and then for the last step, actually filling the balls, I wanted it to feel like an arcade game, so I printed out these tickets with numbers on them, and then each ticket is going to correspond with one of the wrapped gifts. I also added some of his favorite chocolates to the balls, and then I labeled all of the gifts. I really wanted to make it look like the prize center at an arcade where you can redeem your tickets. This was the final setup. I was super happy with it, and my fiance was blown away. This was him using it for the first time, and the first gift was actually another custom advent calendar that I made filled with teas from a local tea shop.